Hey guys, welcome back to your girl CrazeeTash. I know to turn on me. I know to turn on me because I'm tired of myself. I'm tired of myself. So, see you later. I've been gone for so long, right? So I'm just like I'm jump back into things. But we're starting over. I'm trying to take it into a different realm. I'm trying to put it in a different league and stuff. Yeah, so I'm trying to let it be, because as I told you guys, I'm a homebody, so I'm just gonna allow that to be the center of this vlog. The girl is a homebody, the girl is subtle, the girl likes to be, you know, simple. It's a simple life. So it's a simple life with me and stuff. So anyways, we have my company vlog like this for a reason. Hold on. Alright, sorry about that. So, but we're coming on here looking like a hot mess, right? As the first video. But guess what? We're going on vacation. We're going for a little short 1 week vacation to Jamaica. We're going to Jamaica. That's the whole place I go, right? Right. So, we have this mess to deal with. So, I washed it yesterday, blow dried it, and for mom, she parted it up for me so I could add the braids to it. So yeah, let's get into this, because why am I look on the camera look so let's get into our can't do in a public look. So let's get into doing our hair. I'm look for Kim arms guys. I've been working out, so yeah. But anyways, let's get into the video, okay? Alright guys, so this is where I'm at with the hair. Hold on. Yeah, so I have these two left, and I injured my finger yesterday. Sorry if I put up my finger, and this finger is stiff, so I'm having a hard time. The hair not do properly because the finger hurts, but it I forgot just work with. It's all I can do. I'm attempting to do boho knotless. I can't do braids, but a girl have boho knotless in her head. So we are trying to hand make fashion, but the hand now functions right till. But yeah, and I haven't practiced yet. I really wanted to vlog the whole process, or not really vlog the whole process, but kind of, you know, show you guys clips of like a time lapse of me doing the hair, but I was in too much pain. Mommy, sorry about noise in the background. The fan is on. Mommy, I play a video, and yeah. So we're not packed yet, and I'm traveling in a day or two. So let's see how it goes. Today is Thursday, so hope we have tomorrow, but it's gonna be after work. So we'll pack tomorrow, and then I have some other things to do. So so actually this is the part, this is the traveling. Now we're starting the traveling. So right now we're in chaos. I'm gonna show you because we're packing right now and the place is in chaos. So Jen over there had to get that to give me some energy. People, tell me why I've been working out and I missed like this week, right? Because today's Friday. I missed this week. I'm gonna get fat. Don't love that for me. But anyways, we are packed right now, so we're gonna just do a little quick montage through all of that. Have my suitcase is already kind of packed, my carry-on. We're just gonna have this left to get together. It's a knapsack, and yeah. You have to must say, babe, get the things them ready. Where how much? Hey guys, so we're in Jamaica as you can see, and you know, first pull up Dave and I. We're going on a little vacation trip, a little 3 nights vacation trip. So we're at Rio Hotel and stuff. So we're at the entrance, just waiting for them to tell us what to do. Yeah, this big old bus. Like, we're anxious. Let's go. It's time. It's time. But yeah, guys. So as we go along, I'll share the little journey with you guys. I'm excited as shit because, you know, Rio is one of the hotels I always wanted to come to. So, but I have to be, see how Mr. Cool, keep it cool over here. It's cool, so I have to, you know, keep it balanced. So yeah, yeah, hold it like a G. So we soon come, guys. Don't mind the nails. We soon fix it.
Send you guys to heaven, okay?
That's the dream.
Finish it off on the side.
Alright. There we go.
Drink well done.
Alright, thank
Cheers,
you.
enjoy. Alright. There you go.
Is that okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? You're 100% okay right now.
Scammer them cars already seen.
Guys, you have to provide verification for your own card, regardless of ID. We're at the check-in corner. You go back there. You know?
Suppose we have a van.
Like it. Look. Nicely drive home. Okay guys, so you have to verify your card even with your ID as well. And this is all because of the scammers.
Chopper them there.
We have one right here, but I'm just smart. He did it in the night. He did it in the night. He did it in the night. We just say you have one here, you know, said nothing. You know, did night or said nothing.
Of course, look at chop hard in our sun.
So when you first enter the room, you have Mr. Nelson right here.
Hello, welcome
Mr. Handsome. And this room only comes with for me alone. Alright, so you have a little closet right here. Disappointing, no robes, but you have a closet right here. It comes with an iron and an iron board and a safe as well. Oh, turn on the lights. Sorry guys. So you put your card here to get the lights on. And as I said, there's a safe in there and some pillows and blankets up there. To your left, you will see the shower has glass doors. And that's how it's looking. Yeah. And you have a double-sided mirror. Yeah. And then the bowl is there. And then it's a junior seat. So that's before we go that. You have a little coffee table right here with some alcohol up there. And this little cupboard with our little mini fridge. And that's what they have with some club sodas and water. And some little beers, canned beers there. So if you want to make it like a tea and such and that. So you just close back this. And then as I said, it's a junior suite, so it comes with these what these would be, baby? Double? Yeah, these would be double-sided beds, right? And this is a couch, a pull-out couch as well.
Don't know why is it out.
Right. And we have a mirror, full body mirror there. And this is the couch bench, and you have a TV here, and it's a partial I believe ocean view. So yeah, this is the view outside. Oh, you also have 2 chairs outside as well. Can rest your little things. So if when you go to the beach or the pool, you can dry your stuff right here. So that's convenient. And this is how outside is looking. So pretty. So pretty. And the sea is over there. And the pool is here. And all of that. Yeah, so that's our little room tour. You have a little ceiling fan here, and there's AC in the room, and we're here. Alright? Now bye. Babe, not babe, people, they give a green band. If you know, you know. No. Green. And they said the other color is blue, and that's for kids under 12. So, yeah. But yeah, guys, that's the room tour. We'll show you guys the next clip. I'll see you guys in the next clip. But I'll go downstairs and tour a little bit. But I'll put on more comfortable slippers because these Bridgets are not for walking long. Yeah, and to find a room took so... It was a long walk. That was the only bad review I have so far. But yeah, but let's get situated. See you in the next clip.